Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. Today I'm filming week 5 of our 6-month Declutter and Organize challenge. And we will be focusing on purging and organizing our clothes in our master closet.
Every city, every place, always been a restless girl.
I hope that you've been enjoying the videos on my decluttering challenge. It is never too late to start if you haven't started yet. Each week is a bite-sized task that can be done in an hour or so. Of course, this is depending on the amount of clutter you have in your area. I have this printout that I'll be happy to send to you if you send me an email. My address is in the description box. But like I said, we're in week 5. We're going to be in the master closet, purging and organizing clothes. This is my list of suggestions when you purge your clothes. Number 1, be ruthless about what you keep. If you aren't wearing it, loving it, needing it, then you really need to let it go. Number 2, buy matching hangers. Number 3, organize the clothes in categories. What I mean by this is organizing by sleeve length, whether it's a t-shirt, button-up, or hoodie, and your dresses. Same with the pants. Organize them by color and material. And number 4, arrange each category by rainbow color, or at least what looks pleasing to the eye. This really makes a huge difference. Okay, today we're working my youngest daughter's closet. She insists that she's ready to be ruthless and to get rid of things that she loves but she no longer wears. You may be wondering why we're not working in my closet. Well, I just did a massive declutter and organize video on my master closet. We worked a week in that closet, and you bet I stay on top of keeping it organized and clean now. And since Madeline is following along in our challenge, I thought it would be fun to go ahead and videotape her situation.
Yeah, we're chilling, I guess, you and I, every crazy summer night.
I was talking to you about buying matching hangers. As you can see here, we have the same color hangers. They're the black velvet hangers. However, the metal hooks don't match. So it makes everything look very disorganized. So we're going to go ahead and switch all that out to just the metal hangers instead of the black ones. I'll do that as soon as she's finishing purging her clothes. I have the footage sped up so you can't tell that Madeline and I are reminiscing over some of the outfits that she's letting go of. Some of these she's had since high school, but now that she's a mom of 2 babies, she's ready to let go of what is old and start purchasing new clothes that better matches her current lifestyle.
You wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind.
We are collecting all the clothes on the floor, and while I arrange the hangers and categorize by color, Madeline will divide the clothes into 3 piles. She'll have a pile to donate, a pile of maternity to pass on to her older sister, and a pile to sell on Mercari. She has a good amount to sell and decided that she would hire a girl to take photos and post the outfits for her. She'll also deal with the shipping. Naturally, it's going to cost her some money, but no more than if she were to take them to the consignment store.
How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go?
Okay, after I get all these hangers switched over from the black to the silver, I'll go ahead and start categorizing these clothes. I'll start with all the pants and the skirts. I'm going to go ahead and categorize all of them, and then I'll go back and I'll do them by color. And then I'm going to do all the sleeveless. And then I'll do all the short sleeve, and then I'll do all the long sleeve.
Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again.
When you have all these prints, you really just do the best that you can to try to get them categorized in a rainbow color. So whatever looks more pleasing to the eye is typically what I do.
How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love maybe go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love maybe go blind. Oh,
If you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Michelle. I'm the mom to 3 moms and a son. I started this channel because I wanted to encourage women to reclaim the peace in their home through cleaning, organizing, and setting up routines. I would love to have you part of our community, so if you're interested in this type of content, please click the subscribe button.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out.
I'm going to do the same thing over here that I did over in the dresses and the pants. I'm going to put all the long sleeve, the short sleeve, the sleeveless, and I'm going to stick the hoodies way over to the right side. Madeline's hanging up and handing me some clothes that she's already bought so that we can go ahead and stick them into the categories here.
We're going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now.
Is it me, or is that hot pink shirt really throwing off the balance of these clothes? She certainly does have a color preference. When you look in your closet, can you tell that you have a color preference? I know that I can. Let me know yours down in the description box.
Patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts.
Okay, now we have all these extra hangers. What shall we do with them all? And here is the final result. To me, everything looks so nice. All the hangers matching really brings a cohesiveness to the closet. If you enjoyed this video, would you please give me a thumbs up? And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. I'll see you again next week. Stay blessed, my friends.
I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know.